Latest NSK300 exam questions. Way to achieve Netskope Certified Cloud Security Architect credential. Get the latest NSK300 exam questions from QuestionsTube at an affordable cost and finish your Netskope Certified Cloud Security Architect exam. Our Netskope NSK300 exam questions and answers are validated by specialists so you can effortlessly pass your NSK300 exam on your first try. Before taking the latest NSK300 exam questions, you can read the NSK300 free demo questions with explanations below. Question 1. You are asked to create a customized restricted administrator role in your Netskope tenant for a newly hired employee. Which two statements are correct in this scenario? Question 2. You deploy the Netskope client for web steering in a large enterprise with dynamic steering. The steering configuration includes a bypass rule for an application that is IP restricted. What is the source IP for traffic to this application when the user is on premises at the enterprise? Question 3. You do not want a scheduled advanced analytics dashboard to be automatically updated when Netskope makes improvements to that dashboard. In this scenario, what would you do to retain the original dashboard? Question 4. You have multiple networking clients running on an endpoint and client connectivity is a concern. You are configuring coexistence with a VPN solution in this scenario. What is recommended to prevent potential routing issues? Question 5. Users at your company's branch office in San Francisco report that their clients are connecting, but websites and SaaS applications are slow when troubleshooting. You notice that the users are connected to a Netskope data plane in New York where your company's headquarters is located. What is a valid reason for this behavior? Question 6. You need to extract events and alerts from the Netskope Security Cloud platform and push it to a SIEM solution. What are two supported methods to accomplish this task? Question 7. You want to enable the Netskope client to automatically determine whether it is on-premises or off-premises. Which two options in the Netskope role would you use to accomplish this task? Question 8. Your organization's software deployment team did the initial install of the Netskope client with SCCM. As the Netskope administrator, you will be responsible for all up-to-date upgrades of the client. Which two actions would be required to accomplish this task? Question 9. You want to integrate with a third-party DLP engine that requires ICAP. In this scenario, which Netskope platform component must be configured? Question 10. You want customers to configure real-time protection policies. In which order should the policies be placed in this scenario?